Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your phone supports eSIM and the specific profile type you need. This saves wasted purchases. Once done, pick a plan, data only or voice plus data, based on usage, and complete purchase so you have the QR code or activation code. Make sure to enable Wi-Fi and have ID and payment handy to download the profile now rather than scrambling abroad. This gets you out of setup delays and lets you test connectivity before leaving home. You scan the QR or paste the activation code into settings, then label the profile so you recognize it, local, roaming, or backup. After installation, choose which line handles mobile data and which handles calls or texts. This avoids accidental roaming charges. Once configured, check APN and network settings. If needed, edit them to match the provider's instructions. Finally, reboot and run a simple web or speed test to confirm it's working before you move on to travel mode. You activate the eSIM on arrival by toggling airplane mode and letting the phone register on the local network. This forces a fresh attach. Once active, monitor usage and set a data cap or warning to avoid surprises, and make sure your home SIM is the fallback for important calls. If you don't get signal, remove and reinstall the profile or re-enter APN details. If still failing, contact the eSIM provider with the ICSID or activation code for support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.